Hi, my name is Patrick Makhubela, the past president of the NCCA South Africa. It is a great pleasure to be part of this history. Congratulations to ISSA. This is a milestone, and well done to all board members and everyone else, from the executive director to the president, to uphold this vision from the founding fathers. 100 years is a long time. Indeed. Well, from South Africa, I got to know about the ISSA probably 28 years ago when I joined the cleaning industry. And at the time, the ISSA logo was really a prestigious logo to have on your letterhead. At the time, it was not affordable for medium-sized or smaller companies to join the ISSA. And when I got involved with the NCCA, the Contract Cleaning Association of South Africa, I then worked with my predecessor who introduced me to ISSA, Clive Damonzi. I met a lot of people internationally, and my first encounter was at the Interclean show in Amsterdam. And when I continued with the relationships, we built a very good relationship. I've been to Las Vegas, to Chicago, and many more other shows around the world, which is staged by the ISSA. It was really a great pleasure to network at that level, at a global level. And with that, we felt that what ISSA has got for our industry would be beneficial for our members. And in that, we made sure that relating to the ISSA in a different way to try and have our members become member of ISSA. And the benefit were phenomenal. From training to exposure to understanding the science of cleaning to everything else. I think the highlight for me was during the COVID pandemic, where we had no clue that COVID-19 pandemic threw us completely out of, we're on a complete spin, and we knew nothing about such a disease, how to tackle it. And for me, I think that was one of the best in terms of the intervention from ISSA through the GBAC courses. And thank God we worked through and we introduced our members, and they were able to manage and tackle all the challenges that we had during the COVID pandemic. And that for me is the highlight. And I'm saying to the ISSA, big ups, kudos, and well done. And we wish you all the best for another 100 years and beyond.